Gram Chikitsalaya, a 5 episode comedy drama streaming now on Amazon Prime Video. Set in the fictional village of Bhatkhandi in rural Jharkhand. Gram Chikitsalaya follows the story of Dr. Prabhat Sinha, played by Amol Parashar, a city bred gold medalist doctor who voluntarily joins a rundown primary health center. Prabhat isn't your typical small town transfer case. He is not here because he had no choice or to add a bullet point to his CV. He is here because he wants to make a difference. But like the PHC itself, the show often feels like it needs fixing. The series comes from the same creators behind Panchayat, which naturally raises expectations. They have even started calling this interconnected world the Village Cinematic Universe, a grassroots version of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And while the intention is heartwarming, Gram Chikitsalaya unfortunately plays out like a diluted version of its more successful cousin. In Bhatkhandi, Dr. Prabhat is met with resistance. No one expects him to stay. He is joined by quirky colleagues, a lazy compounder named Putani, a hyper-energetic ward boy Gobind, a sincere nurse Indu, and a rival clinic run by a popular quack played by Vinay Patak. There's also Gargi, another MO, played by Akanksha Ranjan Kapoor. Each character is crafted to bring life to the rural setting, but somehow they feel like caricatures rather than real people. Where Panchayat thrives on subtlety, Gram Chikitsalaya often slips into overacting. Scenes are layered with heightened background scores, moral monologues, and forced symbolism. At times, it feels more like a well themed restaurant than a lived in village. Rustic, yes, but artificially arranged. To be fair, the show does try to stand apart. Dr. Prabhat isn't a reluctant outsider. He's an idealist from a privileged background who wants to challenge the system. His heart is in right place, but his journey feels more staged than sincere. The drama is often melodramatic, especially in subplots involving misunderstood mental health or exaggerated village rituals. And while the writing occasionally hints at depth, the performances and direction rarely allow those moments to breathe. There are scenes meant to be funny, like Gobind's vegetable anecdotes or a patient asking money to operate on his testicles, but the jokes either stretch too long or miss the mark entirely. Even the mundane moments, which Panchayat turned into gold, feel like filler here. Visually, the series is warm and earthy, but it can't escape the feeling of deja vu. It's as if you're watching a Panchayat fan fiction, reheated in a microwave and served with extra garnish. It tries to be different, but doesn't go far enough to establish its own voice. So, is Gram Chikitsalaya worth your time? If you are a die-hard fan of the small town charm that TVF has perfected, or if you are looking for a light weekend watch, this might offer a few moments of comfort. But don't expect the organic storytelling or the grounded humor of Panchayat. Instead, what you get is a well intentioned, somewhat overproduced attempt to ride the wave of rural nostalgia. In short, Gram Chikitsalaya wants to treat the soul, but ends up giving a perception that doesn't quite cure. If you have watched Gram Chikitsalaya, tell your opinion in comment section and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.